Ba to? Itong nasa labas?
Sino yan? Come south. Sino yung nagmamark niyan? Ano? Sino nagpiping? Ba't nyo piniping yan?
May nag-cure si Daddy B.
Ang inanet. Daddy B! Mount. Si TDG, ano, gano'ng kalaki sa loob? Yo, careful bomb squad ah. There's another
high
blob.
card, 26 day sila high card.
There's another blob sa ano ah. Sa southeast na. Full engage 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yo, I need a scout on my southeast.
Lipat na ako dyan, Mugi.
Okay. You start hammering the gate.
Okay, may bump spot sila na naka-heal yun na wailing.
Okay. You spread.
Heal yun shoes, tapos wailing.
Yo, hammer also the walls. If you can. No, chill. Don't forget.
Naka 8-1. Isang screen mo, hindi ko maketa.
Yo, destroy also the walls, guys. People with hammer. Destroy also the walls. Come on. Fast. Then pa-ult na rin para mabilis. Ready defenses lang. Baka may bomb squad eh.
Watching lang ako ng southeast mo.
Sige. May isa pang blob sa east side na maliit. Sino yun? Yo, destroy the walls first. Yo, can some of the tanks destroy this wall on the east side? Everything inside on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill this.
Mga nasa lima yung mga naka-wailing.
Sige. May isa pang blob sa ano eh. May isang maliit na blob dun sa likod nila. Baka kasi ibang zerg yan eh.
Mga daga ata yun eh. Ang daming daga doon kanina.
Yo, destroy the walls here. Yo, everything over the wall, look at me. Marlika, everything on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill the mobs. Okay. Yo, careful ah. Bomb squad east side, okay? Bomb squad east side. Get ready to headbutt it. Light caller. Yo, kill the guards. Yeah. Yo, get ready to just engage perma engage. If the light caller comes. Wailing to. Eto, nahuli ko siya. Never mind. Yo, create space guys. We need space. Rotate ba si Sis? Parang nagro-rotate siya.
Check ko?
Pa-check nga. Nag-north siya.
Wala ka bantay sa likod daw. Umalis ako. Ako yung nagbabantay sa
Okay
likod.
lang. Yo, careful ah. Ice field. Yes,
ako na magbabantay sa likod.
Sige. Yo, full engage on the mage north side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill this guys.
Wala ka demon sa harap.
Yo, heal up. Kill the blue things. Reset your cooldowns. How many seconds cooldown? Yo, don't go in yet. Don't go in yet. Everything on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on top of me.
Hindi ako masyado makalapit mo dyan. Daming yung mga cheater.
Sige lang. Okay lang. Balikan na lang kung hindi.
Balikan lang ako yung
Yo, watch my east side We might get bombed Watch my east side Heal up.
Yung chariot, malinis man na.
Heal up first. How many seconds cooldown? You have cooldown, right? Everything on top of me. Get ready. Wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on top of me.
Discount yung chariot, Mugi.
Okay, malayo. Chariot yan. Ano gagawin natin?
Uy, masakit.
Kill this. Kill the mages muna.
8-1 glacial.
8-1 glacial. Don't step on it. 8-1 glacial you might get fucked on the choke.
Mogi looking Mogi
Everything inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill the mages here.
Mataas sa likod mo, Gucci. One shot Gucci. Isa lang. As of now.
Just ready your purity. Kill that mage north side, then we can actually focus.
Mugi, wait lang. Check ko tong blob. Nakita mo yung blob ko sa likod.
Comes out.
Check ko lang sino to. Mount.
Come back.
Mukha cheater lang. Umalis na. Cheater.
Shallow, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow. Come back. Fine. Come back. Yo, kill the guards here, kill the guards here. Come inside, come inside. Destroy the gate, destroy the gate. Then can somebody destroy the west wall? Somebody destroy the west wall, just 2 people. The rest just bonk this gate. 2 people bonk the west wall. Or actually, pwede nyo buksan, tama. Pwede nyo naman buksan.
Glacial, glacial.
Yo, come east side, Marlika, come east side, come east side, east side, east side, come east side, come east side, come east side, come east side. Get ready, east side, occult east side, occult east side, occult east side, east side, east side. 5, 4!
Nawala ka, nalunod ka. Nalunod ka, Mogi ah.
Mugi, di pa kayo nagpo-food up, ha?
Sorry, put up. We just hit the backline. Reset your cooldown, reset your cooldown.
Sarap nun.
Gano'n wala pa sila. Oh, do. Wait. You have CD, right? Get ready, ah. Occult east side. East side. On the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate shallow. Then come back. Back. Defense, front. Kite back. Yo, watch my southeast side. Come southwest more. Keep coming southwest. Just walk southwest. Just walk outside. Yeah, I see the wailing. Reset your cooldown. How many seconds, okay?
Mismo tayo sa likod, ha?
Come southwest.
Ready.
Ano likod?
Ito, mga cheater na one shot.
Come northeast. You get ready to catch tank. East side. On this tank only, the skull. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On him only. Kill him. Kill him. Come back. Yo, that damage not sync. Should have deleted that, okay? Reset your cooldown.
Watching na lang muna ako sa likod, Mugi.
Yeah. Watch your back. Yo, can somebody hammer this? Para may space pa. How many seconds cooldown?
Pa-full heal ako.
Up.
Okay. Marlika, east side shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side shallow. Then kite back southwest outside. Yo, def tank hold them. Cleanses. Kite back. Yo, careful. A bomb might come, ah. Careful over the wall. Yo, can somebody hammer this? Hammer this. Careful, bam.
What the...
Raymond, masakit yan, Raymond. Wag mong ano. Yo, dodge the bird.
Pahil ako.
Okay. If you get the bird, can you guys... Nah, no need.
The fuck?
Actually, yeah, just OC. Mas wala naman ang kalaban.
Kapag
Yo,
ano kayo ng bird,
Yo,
pwedeng
if
pwede
you
dito.
get the bird, don't bring it to the Zerg, okay? Yo, step up now. Marlika, shallow southeast, get ready, okay? Wait. Spread west side. Yo, we're gonna engage east side over this wall, ah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side over wall. Come back. Kite back southwest, outside. Kite back outside. Cleanse front. Come southwest outside. Defense. Full defend front. Reset your cooldown fast. How many seconds? Just reset, yes, just reset. Okay, just reset. Okay, get ready, ah. We're gonna counter the bomb squad, ah. I'm watching the bomb squad. Wait.
Ang dami ng Mogi oh.
Yeah, inside shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside shallow. Come back. We miss. Come back southwest. It's okay. Come back southwest. Help front. Come outside. Defend. Come southwest outside. Defend. Heal bamo. Okay, nice. Come southwest. We're good. Come southwest. Yo. We kite agad, ah. Actually, feeling ko Krone. Kill this tank. Full engage after the cleric. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full engage. Kill all the tanks here. Kill all the tanks. Okay, come back. Defend. Oh, boy Puday, too deep, boy Puday. Come back. Yo, come back. Somebody needs to watch the bird. Bird's faithful.
Ito, rabbit. Ba't may rabbit dito?
Ready?
Come, step up. Yo, get ready, ah. Deep southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep southeast on me only. Now come back. Kite back. Ready, potion. Kite back west side. Defenses front. Heal front. Help front. Good, tanks. Good. Reset your cooldown. How many seconds cooldown?
Ready.
Okay. Hold. Step up again. Bird on the bird. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the bird. Kill the bird. Ay, come back. Kite back. Magpa-full heal muna kayo. Kite back muna. Come back. Yo, can we, destroy, can we destroy this wall? Can we destroy this wall so we have more space? Destroy that wall so we have more space. Just hold.
Check ko pa rin ba tong... Sa likod pa rin ba ako movie?
Hindi, wag na.
Huwag na? Okay, okay.
Yo, destroy the wall,
Looking Nag-ano sila. Night Helm, Night Helm.
East side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, east side. Come back. Come back. Kite back. Caller looking I marked them yung clubber. Yo, bird, full event. Yo, spread. Dalawang bird yan, spread.
Sa abubo,
Bird.
sana binidra ko siya pa.
Pwede pa, no? Maleficent, if the bird comes, can you guardian armor it? Okay. Yeah, just focus on him. Just guardian armor the bird. The bird's the painful one. Yo, everyone, step up. Deep, DPs, Just walk, wait. Just walk. DPs 5, inside 4, 3, 2, 1, inside on me. Kite back. They don't have engage. Don't worry, they don't have engage. Kite back. Reset your cooldown. Yo,
Ayun o.
kill scholar.
Running up ba sila?
Follow him. North side, everything on him. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, kill the caller. I think they're running. Come southwest first. Can somebody check? Mount up, guys. Mount up first. Are they running? They still have 23%. They still have 23% though.
Snow Rabbit na lang nasa loob. Snow Rabbit
Yeah,
na
no,
nasa
just
loob.
keep kami southeast. Just keep kami east. Malaki si Snow Rabbit eh. Just follow me. Ay, hindi. Come southwest. Never mind, walang space dyan. Come southwest. Walang space
Ingat
dyan.
may one shot dito.
Just don't dismount. Oh. No, never mind. Don't.
Gucci.
5-3 lang. Di worth it.
Okay.
Go northeast.
Check na lang. Ay, may blob.
Yo, can somebody watch the Sith Alliance? Kasi they're just in the Terry. Baka i-cut off tayo. What's our dis, Ray? 8? Okay, come north. Yo! Follow!
Huwag na daw.
Why you guys catching? There's another Zerg. Hello? Come north kasi baka i-cut off tayo eh. Yo, I need another flag. Shit. I need another flag. I wanna fucking still fight CDG. I don't know what they're doing. Okay, kami Nartos. Yo, kick kami Nartos. Just walk. Come. Come. Zone in. Yo, nakikita ko si Highcard, nakabore si Highcard. Saan na si Highcard? Nakabore. Saan siya? Ayun, sa north side. Minart ko. Nakabore.
On pig.
Nakabore si Highcard. Try to catch him. Okay. Okay, don't reset OC. We go back to Portal. We buy... more people buy hammers. I wanna launch on this Terry so that they defend. We go back first. Unless it's someone in Portal who can buy, banner right now. Oh, Sith's following us. Yeah, I don't wanna 1v1 that. Kick kami Northwest. Pa-scout sandali nito, Pro, no? Pa-check lang kung ano gagawin nila.
GG.
Sakit yung bird. Sakit ng bird.
Dinadala sa
talaga
side natin. Masakit talaga.
Actually pwede naman natin i-BMS rin yun, actually. Sino ba to?